How to customize Windows 11 widgets. In the age of digital information and seamless multitasking, Windows 11 introduces a refreshing and dynamic feature: widgets. These small interactive windows provide real-time updates and quick access to a variety of information. But what truly sets Windows 11 apart is its customization potential. If you're eager to make your widgets not only functional but also tailored to your specific interests and needs, you're in for a treat. This guide will walk you through the steps to customize Windows 11 widgets, helping you transform your desktop into an information hub that's uniquely yours. Let's get started. Click on the widgets icon on the taskbar, or if it's hidden, you can press the Windows key and W to open the widgets panel. You can also make the widget icon visible on the taskbar by right-clicking on the taskbar and going into the taskbar settings. Under taskbar items, there's a toggle for the widget icon's visibility. Now when you click or hover on the widget icon in the taskbar, you will see multiple widgets, as well as some news headlines on the right side. You can customize the type of news you want to appear on your feed based on your interests. You can set it by clicking on your avatar in the top right corner to access the widget settings, and then selecting Manage Interests in the bottom left of the window. You can manually add your interests by clicking on the plus button for each category. In the Widget Settings window, you can also change your widget taskbar behaviors. Enabling Open Widgets Board and Hover will open the board when you move your cursor over the widget on your taskbar. With this option turned off, you'll need to click to display the widgets board. If you enable Notifications badges, you will see numerical indicators on the widget in your taskbar, indicating the numbers of notifications. When you enable the Show Announcements feature, your Windows 11 taskbar will display a dynamic feed of rotating updates from various widgets, ensuring that you stay informed and up to date with the latest information and notifications relevant to your selected widgets, all conveniently accessible from your taskbar. Widgets have an ellipsis icon to the right. When you click on it, it will show you a few options. You can choose to hide it, customize it, or pin it. You will note that a widget is pinned if it shows a pin icon to its right. Once pinned, additional options can be accessed by clicking the ellipsis icon again. You can select the size for it, such as small, medium, or large. You will also get to customize it, but some widgets may not be customizable. The type of customization you can do depends on each individual widget. For example, for the weather widget, you can change the location. You can also rearrange your widgets by holding down a widget's header and then dragging it to the area where you want to move it. If you want to add more widgets, just click on the plus button at the top of the widgets board. A small window will appear, displaying a variety of widgets that can be pinned to your board. Just click the Pin button to add a widget. To access additional widgets, including paid ones, click on Find More Widgets at the bottom. Select the widget and click Get or Install. It will then appear in the widgets list, where you can choose to pin it. That's it! The basic customizations for your Windows 11 widgets. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.